हाय, गुड इवनिंग, नमस्कार, आदाब। मेरा नाम है आरजे राज। आप देख रहे हैं 240वां एपिसोड, 240th एपिसोड ऑफ छतरपुर फार्म्स प्रेजेंट्स राज की बात। राज की बात इज इन एसोसिएशन विद कामत एंड दुरुक्कर वेल्थ मैनेजर्स। माय four-wheeler driving partner is M. Vazalwa Driving School. My club partner is Rosetta Elite Club. A big thank you to my banking partner, which is Central India's best bank, I would call it, Tirupati Urban Cooperative Bank. And yes, of course, a big thank you to my education partner, which is Globus ITI, Kamthi. My cycling partner is Naresh Chandra and Company, and they've been cycling Nagpur for more than 91 years. That's a big thing. Now, a lot of things have been happening during this complete Corona Kal, which we call it, and I'm so excited that 2020 is finally coming to an end. But then they say that ends should always be sweet. Yes, जो कोई भी चीज़ जब ख़त्म हो तो एक मिठास के साथ ख़त्म हो तो वो अच्छी भी लगती है। अब 2 दिन बाकी हैं साल ख़त्म होने में। हम 31st की पार्टी बिल्कुल नहीं करने वाले, लेकिन जो चीज़ हम अच्छी कर सकते हैं वो क्या कर सकते हैं। हम 31 तारीख को या 1 तारीख को हम किसी से जब मिलें तो हम उनकी ज़िंदगी में मिठास भर सकते हैं। कैसे? एक कपल है नागपुर का, वो लोगों की ज़िंदगियों में रोज़ मिठास भरता है। वो भी कैसे भरता है वो भी हम उनसे जानेंगे, और आपको ये भी बताएंगे कि 1 तारीख को आपको मैंडेटरी लेवल पे क्या करना है। पहले मिलते हैं लुलुआ और हुजैफा से। हाय
Hi,
Lulu, how are you?
I am good, thank you.
And I'm so happy that finally I meet you.
Yeah.
I think the feeling is likewise.
Yes. Hi, Huzefa.
Hi, this is Josefa. Thank you so much, Raj, for coming here.
All my pleasure. So before I start, I ask questions to both of you. Just wanted to, say this: कि I approached Lulua a few months back, and I wanted to interview her, and then finally I speak to Huzefa, few days back, and I get an opportunity to interview the Nagpur chocolate couple.
Oh my God, that's a very big compliment. We are really glad that you could finally make us, and we can finally have a discussion with you.
Okay, so I start with the lady first.
Yes.
Tricos, your premium confectionery company.
Yeah.
It's so you have been doing a lot of things when it comes to chocolates.
Yes.
Yeah. So we call you the chocolate girl. But then, how did it start? How did chocolate? I mean, I wouldn't ask you how did chocolate came in your life. Your chocolate is Huzefa. Yeah. But then I would really like to ask you the chocolate. How did it came in life?
So it all happened in 2012 when I completed my graduation. I was already making chocolates, like every other person in that time was doing, purchasing slabs and making chocolates at home. In Central India, it had a huge market. People just wanted to gift handmade chocolates to everybody 8 years back. It was then that we started, and after completing my graduation, I started working in a company. And for nearly 4 months I could work, and then I had to quit the job because I was not comfortable working for somebody. I really wanted to work for myself and create job opportunities for others. And during that period only, he came in my life and we got engaged, and we were like, we both were really enthusiastic and wanted to do something, कुछ नया करना है, फैमिली बिजनेस ट्रेडिशनल वे में नहीं जाना है, तो क्या करे। देन वी वर लाइक कि ठीक है, मैं चॉकलेट्स बना रही थी, आई वाज गेटिंग गुड रिस्पॉन्स, पीपल वर लाइकिंग इट, सो व्हाई नॉट स्टार्ट विद दैट। सो विदाउट गिविंग अ बिग थॉट कि ये कंपनी हम कभी ग्लोबल लेवल पे भी ले जाने का सोचेंगे, हमने स्टार्ट कर दिया था कैजुअली, एंड फैमिली वाज लाइक ओके, सो वी गॉट एंगेज्ड, स्टार्टेड विद अ बिजनेस. The name Tricos did happen like that कि उसके पहले ही 3 cousins started this company. So Tri stands for 3 and Cos is for cousins. And हम लोग ने baking segment से चालू किया था पहले, and the person who was going to bake for us was from hotel management.
ठीक है.
She went to Hyderabad for her further studies. She left the company. Then he came into my life, and then we stuck with chocolates, but we retained the name.
ओके.
तो
लुलुआ आई और जिंदगी में चॉकलेट आ गया.
True, that's true.
तो ये जब बिजनेस की शुरुआत हुई, मैं शुरुआती दौर की बात कर रहा हूँ, आप लोगों का एंगेजमेंट हुआ, उसके बाद फिर देन फाइनली गॉट मैरिड, एंड देन द कंपनी स्टार्टेड, और इट स्टार्टेड बिफोर?
It started before.
Before that.
Yeah, we had a 2.5 years of courtship. We
Mhm.
already running the company then.
Okay. So how was how was the business and romance growing together?
It was growing very good. The best part was that we were together through and through the whole time.
Mhm.
Whether it is business or whether it is personal, we have never felt it apart. We have always kept it together. तो हर चीज़ बहुत अच्छे से और smoothly grow हुआ है.
Mhm.
And on top of that, एक बिजनेस में जब दो लोग रहते हैं तो जो थॉट प्रोसेस उसमें जाता है वो बहुत अच्छा जाता है.
सही बात
एंड
है.
दो डिफरेंट तरीके से सोचने वाले लोग जब साथ में रहते हैं सो दैट गोज वेरी नाइसली एंड दैट हेल्प्स इन ग्रोइंग द बिजनेस. सो या इनिशियली से लेके इनफैक्ट अभी तक के दैट हैज बीन वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर अस.
सो जब ये बेकरी के बाद ये जो चॉकलेट बिजनेस है, क्या अंडरस्टैंडिंग्स थी आप दोनों की व्हेन इट कम्स टू द मार्केट, व्हेन इट कम्स टू द मार्केट रिक्वायरमेंट, व्हेन इट कम्स टू द कॉस्टिंग्स, व्हेन इट कम्स टू मेकिंग अ ब्रांड?
Honestly, when we had started, we had not those big things in mind. It was just an opportunity for me as a side business and for Lulua to develop her own, business kind of thing. And I'm from a BBA background. She is an industrial engineer, so थोड़ा बहुत वहाँ पे knowledge था. Apart from that, nothing big. But over and over, when we kept on, going into the whole business, I realized that I'm a foodie and I just love everything. So chocolate भी एक उसमें से चीज होती है. And I think in 2014 I had that dream that one day I want to make my own chocolate. And since then I really made it my passion to make this business a full-on and full-time business. So I left my family business. That's a 4th generation business. And then I came fully with Tricos on board, and since then we have been running this vegan.
Okay. Lulua, when it comes to chocolates, there are bigger brands. I mean, brands which are like, with big money in their pockets, and the way they promote themselves. And a lot of people also know that, homemade chocolates have a good margin of profit. Yeah. But then this margin of profit goes in the person who's making it. And there's no branding as such. So how does when it comes to these chocolate brands, how do you compete, how do you compare, or don't?
No, we do, of course. When we reach out, see, our product is shipped pan India through Amazon. We have our e-commerce website. We are placed in certain super bazaars of Nagpur and other parts of central India as well. So of course, when we reach out to people, they say that they show us either Lind ka bar or they show us Cadbury ka या Amul ka. Amul is a new player in chocolate, and इंडिया के पास कोई इतना बिग प्लेयर था नहीं चॉकलेट का. इट वाज ऑल एनएमसीज, मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज चल रही थी यहाँ पे.
Right.
तो अमूल ने जब से इंडिया में चॉकलेट लॉन्च किया है, द प्राइजेस एंड बीन टू बार के जो प्राइसेस है वो ड्रास्टिकली, मतलब उसमें गैप आया. लिंड 500, अमूल 100, तो वो बहुत बड़ा गैप आया है. तो हम लोग, हमारा जो मार्केट है, हमारा जो सेगमेंट है, लोग हमको कंपेयर करते हैं अमूल से भी, हमको लिंड से भी. बट वी ट्राई एंड एक्सप्लेन देम वी आर अ सेपरेट एंटिटी. इफ यू वांट समथिंग विच टेस्ट लाइक सिल्क, जस्ट गो एंड बाय सिल्क, राइट. अभी देखिए, जो हैंडमेड चॉकलेट्स हो गया वो एक सेगमेंट हो गया, लिंड वगैरह जो ब्रांड्स हो गए वो अलग सेगमेंट हो गए. वी लाई समवेयर इन बिटवीन.
ओके.
एंड हमारा अभी जो ये जैसे ये जो प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया है हमने, ट्री टू बार, लाइक हुज़ैफा सेड, इट वाज हिज ड्रीम ऑलवेज टू मेक चॉकलेट्स ऑफ हिज ओन. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग साउथ इंडिया के फार्मर्स को सपोर्ट करके उनसे ऑर्गेनिक कोको बीन्स ले रहे हैं, ऑर्गेनिक चॉकलेट्स बनाई हैं हमने, इंडियन ओरिजिन चॉकलेट्स है, प्रिजर्वेटिव फ्री है. सो दिस इज समथिंग यूनिक विच a brand cannot give. Something flavors like cappuccino, masala chai, lavender, blueberry, these are some fusions, combinations which they cannot provide. So we just try and educate people, although we might be competing with them, but we are altogether a separate entity.
So when it comes to the chocolate couple, Huzaifah, how do you how do you divide your work? क्या कौन सा काम आपकी जिम्मेवारी है, कौन सा काम लुलुआ की जिम्मेदारी है, कैसे डिवाइड किया है?
So since last 2 years, it's very clear in our mind that how we are going to handle the whole Tricos division. So I did my specialization in developing the chocolates. So from procuring the beans to roasting it, giving it a profile, and then giving the end flavor. That is my job in Tricos. That is what I look after, and that is what I do. After the chocolate is done, I hand over everything to Lulwa. So she is the person who then tempers the whole chocolate, molds it into molds, give it the shape and packs it up. Plus, she has done her courses in artisan chocolates. That's all colored chocolates and centerfilled chocolates and all that. So she handles that as well. And I, on the other hand, handle the finances, the offline marketing, plus say like we are planning for exports, so we did a whole transition to a private limited company. So now we are a private limited company. So वो लेना and export की links and developing जो होते हैं product की packaging, certifications, all that I handle. She on the other hand handles total production and online marketing. These two things she has taken on her shoulders.
All right. Lulwa, what I understand till now is you are a industrial engineer, and Huzaifa is a BBA. He's done his business management thing, and now you are managing business and he's doing the engineering thing.
Yes, I always say him that you are much better at machines than me. He understands the whole machine, and हम ढूंढते ही रह जाएंगे किसी को ठीक करवाने के लिए. मशीन ब्रेक डाउन आएगा, ये भाई आके सारा जल्दी से ठीक करके चले जाएंगे.
I wanna ask you about the chocolate culture.
Okay.
Now there's a new culture which is created in chocolates. Earlier it was just the silver wrapper, golden wrapper वाली chocolate खुलती थी Cadbury की और हम खा लेते थे. उसके बाद फिर धीरे धीरे उन्होंने क्रैकल लेकर आए, फिर 5 स्टार नट्स आई, फिर मिल्की बार आया, फिर मतलब chocolate has always, there has been an revolution in chocolate business. Yeah, and now there's suddenly which is coming to color chocolates.
Artisan chocolates.
Yeah. What do you call them? Artisans.
Yeah.
So there is a lot of things. I mean, there's now just she just used a word called a fusion chocolate. Yeah. So there is a lot of revolution when it comes to chocolate, and also there's a lot of revolution in the chocolate business.
True.
Yeah. So how do you handle? What's the understanding?
So when we were doing our R&D, we understood that the trend towards single origin chocolate is going very big. So I'll take 2 minutes to explain what is single origin. So chocolate plant is a property of absorbing the surrounding flavor in that bean. So for example, if I take a bean from Madagascar and I process chocolate through and through with just that bean, the end flavor notes of that chocolate will contain a hint of berries, because all the plants there are surrounded by berry plants, so wild berries. So halka sa hint usme aa jata hai. Similarly, Indian origin chocolate is getting quite a good response in foreign market, and we have that earthy kind of note because it is all grown in coconut plantations के बीच में पूरा plantations maximum होता है. So we wanted to preserve that earthy note. So when we do that single origin, you are able to taste that earthy note from that. So we picked up that trend and we went on with developing our chocolates with the same theme. Plus we did some market research about what flavors people love in general. So we came out with flavor like sea salt caramel, chocolate or caramel. Then we also thought, we should, since we have that opportunity of blending and fusing flavors, and we have that Indian origin or Nagpur origin bhi aana chahiye. So we went with a chocolate like orange rind. Then we went for something like masala chai, and international market ke hisab se we went for lavender blueberry. So these are the fusion ranges that we also took out in our chocolate. So yeah, a lot of since that growing trend was there and people were continuously experimenting, we also did all those experiments and we finally came up with a range of those chocolates.
Lulwa, when it comes to now, you have a range of chocolates. Yeah. And when we talk about costings, how do Tricos is different from when it comes to costing comparing with other brands?
Okay, so when you see, I mean, our whole vision was to provide luxury chocolates at an affordable price. So we have been working towards that. Artisan chocolate के अगर आप boxes देखेंगे 90s, they normally sell at 100 rupees a piece. Now we have been trying to cut on prices and trying to sell it for 30 to 40 rupees a piece. So we want a general common layman to experience that luxury, eating वाली जो feeling रहती है chocolate की. तो हम हमेशा ही try करते हैं कि when it comes, the pricing is compared to the luxury brands, we are always on an economical side. But when you compare with, brands like Amul, Nestle and Cadbury, we won't be able to compete with them because it's mass manufacturing.
True. Now, can we see your range of chocolates?
Yeah.
Definitely
Yes.
we would love to show that.
Yes, please.
So we have just kept a few of our boxes to show. So some typical flavors if I go for is nuts overload. Isme we have almonds and hazelnuts in milk chocolate. That's a classic combination. Similarly, we have sea salt caramel. As the name suggests, caramel and sea salt is in there. Then the fusion flavors I was talking about. One is orange rind. Then the other one is masala chai. So those we have.
Dark 62, plain dark 62% is my personal favorite. Anytime at night I have that craving of having anything sweet and I just binge this. So it's a great thing. This is the box of our artisanal chocolate which we were talking about, the colored chocolates and all. So the chocolates look like these.
Okay.
And so in a box of 12 pieces you get to, have an experience of luxury eating 6 different variants of bonbons. So something like that we have designed. This is our USP. This product is with us for past 3 years and people loved it. These are called pant chocolates. So these are almond coated with chocolate and pan raisin coated with chocolates. And this is a like really super hit kind of a flavor. And then we have some hampers. It's been 8 months that we have started with our baking division as well. So
we keep on doing these kind of things for our clients because we have a lot of corporate clients,
Right.
wedding clients. They need a lot of hampers to distribute. So we keep on putting our products in different variations and we keep on making different variants. Of
So these are more like takeaways where people can use it as a gift, as a
Or as a
gesture of
gift.
love, or things like that.
Correct.
Okay.
So that
So
we
they
keep on
use
doing.
our products to express their feelings, whether it be in Nagpur or be in Mumbai or Delhi. You want to express your friend is getting married, and we showcase that emotion through our gifting range.
Yes. So now when I talk about all these chocolates, are these chocolates available in the market?
Yes.
We are right now in talks with a distributor and it will be available through and through in all the good superstores. So like 30-40 stores in Nagpur. Apart from that, पूरे विदर्भ में available हो जाएगा. Right now it's available on Amazon and our e-commerce website.
That's what I
Okay. So you have your own e-commerce website.
We have, yeah.
So what's the name of the website?
It is Tricos, TRICOUS.com.
All right. So this is the kitchen area. हम अगर थोड़ा सा दिखाएं, आप दोनों आए सामने, थोड़ा सा किचन दिखाएं किस तरह से यहाँ पे चॉकलेट बनती है. आप देखेंगे तो ये बहुत बड़ा यूनिट है चॉकलेट का, जहाँ पर
So since the day we started, we had that in mind that we won't be doing chocolates from home.
Okay.
Because we want to separate ourselves from those people जो घर से chocolate बना के बेचते हैं as a side business.
जी.
So since day one we had a rented place. This we constructed 2 years ago. This is a 600 square feet का area, and this is dedicated just for baking and chocolates, and nothing else happens here.
Okay. So baking and chocolates.
Yeah.
Okay. लुलवा, ये पूरा का पूरा लॉकडाउन कैसा गया है आपके लिए?
मेरा पूरा लॉकडाउन केक्स बेक करते करते गया है.
Okay. अच्छा, were you getting orders while the lockdown was there? I mean, जब ये पूरा का पूरा बंद था.
So we were only closed for nearly 10 days and उसके बाद bakeries वगैरह सारी open थी and bakeries को permitted था. So that was the time we started with our baking division because chocolate comes in luxury, and we started with baking, and we did get really good response. पहले महीने मैंने 50 केक बनाया होगा, उसके नेक्स्ट मंथ एक दिन में 50 केक बनाए, तो something like that. But it motivated me. I did a lot of courses, online courses were available, and took a lot of trainings and trained myself also personally. So
I think our personal record is of delivering 75 or 78 cakes in a day.
Oh my God.
And we don't have a commercial oven.
Yeah, we don't
As of
have.
now.
It's just a small oven that we use, but we manage it in that.
अरे वाह. अच्छा हुज़ैफा, मुझे एक चीज़ बताएं कि ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन ये जो कंप्लीट अनलॉक भी हुआ, उसके बाद चीज़ें खुली, अब कितना बिजनेस में इफेक्ट आया है? हैज़ द बिजनेस इम्प्रूव्ड?
For us, as she said, we started with our bakery division. For us, lockdown was a blessing. People turned towards us because they trusted the name, they trusted us, they knew we are doing it hygienically, and that helped in picking up the whole bakery division, which we never thought we would bring in.
Okay.
So now we have 2 separate entities running together, a bakery division and a chocolate division. Plus, since the people trusted the name, they went for gifting with us. Raksha Bandhan was a good business for us. It was a good peak, and I think that was just the unlock phase.
Okay.
So since then, we are working good. We had got some wedding clients, and plus people are unable to invite guests on weddings.
Mhm.
So now what they do is they send good gifts because they are unable to invite.
True.
So that is again a boon for us. So all in all, we feel that it was a good phase and good learning phase also for us.
ट्राइकोस खाओ और घर से आशीर्वाद दे दो.
हाँ,
True, true, true.
अच्छा, वन मोर थिंग
Yeah.
हुजैफा,
Yeah.
कि अब क्योंकि ये पूरा का पूरा टाइम अब निकल चुका है,
Correct.
है ना, तो मैं अगर ट्राइकोस सिर्फ चॉकलेट की बात करूं,
हाँ.
तो अब क्या प्लान है? व्हाट्स द 2021 प्लान?
We, as I said, we are now Tricos Confectionaries India Private Limited. We are looking for tie-ups in countries like Indonesia, Sri Lanka, South Africa, Vietnam, and we are planning to export our chocolates there. We have plans of 2021 that we'll start our exports before the season starts. So I think June, July marks the season start. So by August, might be possible that our chocolates are on their shelves. Second thing, we want to go for an organic certification. So we are planning for that as well. Once that happens, we are already using organic ingredients, but we are yet to acquire the certificate. So I think once that happens, another feather will be in our cap.
So, Lulua, the chocolate has finally reached the store. If we talk like
Yeah.
that, okay.
Yeah.
So the chocolate Tricos has reached the store. Somebody walks in the store. Why should someone pick up a Tricos chocolate?
It has a lot of heart, feeling, and love with it. It is not something that we do commercially. It is something that we do passionately, and we are sure if you taste it once, you are going to come back again and again. That is like 100% sure.
Okay, my last question to you
Yeah.
would be, what makes you the chocolate couple of the city?
Our love for each other and our love for chocolate, and the whole thing engulfed in the passion to do that and achieve something that big brands doesn't even look on. That small batch manufacturing and putting all our love into that, making small batches of chocolates, is I think what makes us chocolate couple.
Yeah.
When was the last time? Again, one last question to you. Well, when was the last time when Josefa gave you a chocolate and made you feel really nice?
I can't think of that.
Okay.
I live in chocolate, so
Yeah.
did you give me chocolate sometimes?
I don't remember that. I have stopped giving her chocolate since last 4 years. 4 years back, the last chocolate I gave her was that silk bubbly and those wo heart wala jo Valentine's pa aaya tha.
Silka, yeah.
Silka. That was the last chocolate that we bought.
Okay.
And since then we just buy Ferrero Rochers because we have a flavor of Ferrero Rocher cake. Apart
Okay.
from that, we don't buy chocolates from market.
So now somebody wants to reach you out. Somebody wants to book a cake from your confectionery. How do they order, and will they get a home delivery?
Yes, we do provide home delivery. We are tied up with a third-party delivery service. They deliver on behalf of us. You can always reach us on our mobiles. You can order via
Instagram.
WhatsApp. You can order via Instagram. You can send a message on Facebook as well. And we
In
have
2021, we are actually coming up with our e-commerce for the cakes as well. So people all over India, they can send their wishes and love to the people in Nagpur, ordering through the website. So,
Okay. So anyone living anywhere on the planet can go on that e-commerce platform
Yeah.
and send a cake to anybody in Nagpur.
Yes.
Woo.
And chocolates anywhere in India.
yeah.
Oh wow, this sounds great. And now as we end the show, yeah, one message from the Tricos team for all the Nagpurians for 2021. Who'd like to take this?
I would. Lot of people around you are doing chocolates, but I just want to make sure that it is pure chocolate that we are talking about. People mix oil rather than cocoa butter in chocolates, and that is called as compound. So if you are buying, please ask whether it is compound or chocolate. My suggestion or our suggestion always will be go for pure chocolates, go for Coverture chocolates. Little bit costlier on the side, but the moment you put it in the mouth, it melts. So 2021, your resolution should be say no to compound chocolates and vote for pure chocolates.
And say yes to Tricos.
Yes, big yes.
Lulua, one last message from the Tricos team for the Happy New Year message.
Bilkul. Have a very sweet and fulfilling new year and make lots of resolution for workout, but do make resolutions to have our cakes and chocolates as well.
Well, wishing both of you a very happy new year.
To you
Yeah,
too.
and I wish the chocolate couple to be always chocolatey just like this.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच. बहरहाल आज राज की बात में हमने ट्राइकॉस, ये एक ब्रांड जो है नागपुर का लेकिन अब पूरी दुनिया भर में अपना नाम बिल्कुल जमाने के लिए तैयार है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब नागपुर शहर से कोई अपना एक नाम बनाने के लिए एक मेहनत करता है, अपना एक प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट करता है, उसे सराहने के लिए नागपुर ने अब पीछे नहीं रहना चाहिए. नागपुर हमेशा पीछे रहा है, मानिए इस बात को. नागपुर में कई सारे ब्रांड्स आए हैं, वापस चले गए हैं, और उनकी कंप्लेंट यही रही है कि नागपुर के लोग ना किसी को जगह नहीं देते. नागपुर के लोग कम से कम नागपुर के लोगों को तो जगह दे सकते हैं, देना चाहिए. दीजिए ट्राइकॉस को अपने दिल में जगह. ट्राइकॉस की चॉकलेट खरीदिए और ट्राइकॉस के पेज को फॉलो भी कीजिए फेसबुक पे, ताकि आप वहाँ पर केक्स भी ऑर्डर कर सकें. ट्राइकॉस इज़ नॉट जस्ट अ ब्रांड ऑफ Josefa एंड लुलुआ, इट्स अ नागपुर ब्रांड, इट्स अ ग्लोबल ब्रांड. कल शाम को 7 बजे होगी मुलाकात इन राज की बात. तब तक आप अपना ध्यान रखें, सुरक्षित रहें, स्वच्छ रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, मस्त रहें, खुश रहें, एंड अबव ऑल जिंदा रहें. जय हिंद.